Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a face mask, but first I want to do a pattern. So I'm starting with a sheet of letter size or A4 paper, and this I am going to fold in half and then in a quarter. With the edges toward me, I am going to measure 5 inches from the center. So I'm going to do that twice, and then I am going to draw a straight line. Measuring now from the crease, the unopened section, I am going to measure down 2.5 inches from the center. Now I'm just going to leave a mark there, and from the other side I measure 2.5 inches twice, and then I'm going to join that to get another straight line. So I have a rectangle there. Then from the top here I am going to measure down and mark 1 inch. From the center and along the line at the bottom I mark a 1/2 inch. Then I am going to align the ruler to both marks and draw a line there. Alright. I then measure 1 inch from the bottom line here up along the side, which I join to the 1/2 inch marker. So this is going to be my pattern, and I am going to cut this out now. When opened, it now looks like this. So I'm going to use this now to cut a pattern on the fabric. Here I have now cut 2 pieces of fabric, a piece of interfacing, 2 pieces of elastic, 6 inches each. I am now going to put the interfacing, align it with this, and I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to stitch along the slits. Same thing for this piece. I'm going to just fold and stitch along there, then I'll come back and show you. Alright, here they are, stitched together, and now I will put this back section over the lined section, and I am just going to use pins to hold that in place. But before I stitch, I am going to insert the elastic in one end here, and I'm just going to pin that in place. And do the same thing for the other end. I'll do the same for the next piece. And having done that, I am just going to stitch all the way around it. A small opening was left so that this can be turned over. So I'm going to do that and then show you how we finish it. Alright, that done. I am now going to just stitch around the edge to neaten. Alright, there it is, all done and ready to wear. Thanks for watching, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and comment. Thank you.